NASA has recorded something on Mars that could change how we understand the planet forever. This is not just rock. These are chemical fingerprints, patterns that only form when water is involved, leopard-like markings, poppy seed textures, and minerals that chemically transform only after long exposure to water. The question is, was Mars once alive? Welcome to MartinoSol TV, where NASA's Mars discoveries uncover the hidden history of the red planet. This image was captured on the surface of Mars by NASA's Perseverance rover on Sol 1212. And what you're looking at is not just rock. It's a silent record of Mars's ancient history. The small, dark, circular patterns visible in this image are known as leopard spots. Surrounding them are tiny scattered grains scientists describe as poppy seed-like features, named for their striking resemblance to poppy seeds. These formations are not random. According to NASA scientists, they formed when minerals inside the rock reacted with fluids. In other words, water, or water-driven chemical activity, was once present here. Another key detail in this scene is olivine. Olivine is a green-tinted mineral commonly found in volcanic environments. But when olivine comes into contact with water, it begins to chemically alter. Its presence on Mars suggests that water didn't just pass through this area. It may have persisted here for an extended period of time. All of this connects to Cheyava Falls, a nearby region where Perseverance observed layered rock formations that strongly resemble ancient river systems on Earth. Scientists believe Cheyava Falls may represent a location where water once flowed and where conditions suitable for life could have existed. Leopard spots, poppy seed textures, olivine, and Cheyava Falls. Together, they tell a single, powerful story. Mars was not always a dead planet. It was once a dynamic world, shaped by water, chemistry, and possibly the building blocks of life. This image was captured on Mars by NASA's Perseverance rover during its exploration of Jezero Crater, a place scientists believe once held a vast ancient lake. At first glance, the surface looks empty and lifeless, but this landscape is anything but random. The flat-topped formation in the distance is a layered rock outcrop, shaped over millions of years by deposition, erosion, and time. Each visible layer represents a different environmental phase in Mars's deep past. Scattered across the foreground are broken rocks and boulders, likely displaced by erosion, ancient impacts, or collapsing sediments. Over billions of years, Mars's thin atmosphere allowed wind to slowly carve this terrain into what we see today. Jezero Crater was not chosen by chance. Orbital data revealed that water once flowed into this basin, carrying sediments rich in minerals. Among the most important are olivine and carbonates, minerals that can form or transform in the presence of water. These minerals are critical because they can preserve chemical evidence of environments that were once habitable. In calm water conditions, fine sediments settle gently to the bottom, exactly the kind of process required to preserve potential biological signatures. If microbial life ever existed on Mars, rocks like these are among the best places to find its traces. That is why Perseverance is doing more than taking pictures. It is drilling, sampling, and sealing pieces of Mars, preparing them for a future mission that could return them to Earth. Mars may be cold and silent today, but these rocks remember a time when the planet may have been alive. And with every sol, Perseverance helps us uncover that forgotten story. What you're looking at may seem quiet, even ordinary. But this landscape tells a story that is billions of years old. These high-resolution images were captured by NASA's Perseverance rover on Sol 952, deep inside Jezero Crater, a place scientists believe was once home to an ancient lake on Mars. At first glance, the surface appears chaotic: scattered rocks, layered stones, and wind-smoothed sand. But to planetary geologists, this chaos is meaningful. Many of these rocks show rounded edges, a subtle but powerful clue. On Earth, rocks like these are shaped by flowing water, not volcanic explosions or meteor impacts alone. This suggests that water didn't just pass through Jezero Crater once. It persisted here, slowly reshaping the landscape. Notice how stones of different sizes are spread unevenly across the surface. This pattern is not random. It points to long-term erosion, likely caused by ancient water movement, repeated sediment deposition, and later, billions of years of wind erosion after Mars lost its thick atmosphere. These layers are like pages in a book, each one recording a different chapter of Mars's climate history. By Sol 952, Perseverance had already traveled far across Jezero's floor, and images like these help scientists answer a critical question. Was this environment ever capable of supporting microbial life? Sedimentary rocks are especially important because on Earth, they are excellent at preserving biosignatures, chemical or structural signs of ancient life. That's why Perseverance is not just taking pictures, it's selecting rocks that may one day be returned to Earth. Every image captured on Sol 952 adds precision to our understanding of Mars. This isn't about guessing anymore. It's about mapping ancient lake beds, identifying habitable environments, and preparing for the first ever Mars sample return mission. Mars is no longer just a red planet in the sky. It's a world with a history, and Perseverance is uncovering it one sol at a time. What looks like silent stone today may be the key to answering one of humanity's biggest questions. Were we ever alone in the universe? If you have an answer to this question, share your opinion in the comment section. If you enjoyed this deep exploration of Mars and want to stay updated with NASA's latest discoveries, make sure to subscribe to MartinoSol TV. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new update about Mars, space exploration, and the future of humanity. Your curiosity keeps space exploration alive. Thanks for watching.